Hey everyone, TPS Miner here. Welcome back to the TPS Miner channel. In our last video, we talked about this Sapphire RX470 4GB mining graphics card that we picked up from NerdGears. And today is going to be a continuation of that video. We're going to talk a little bit about the thermal performance after we've changed the thermal pads and the thermal paste. And we're going to take a look at the overclocks that we've got running on Ethereum Classic right now. Before we get into that though, I want to talk about Crypty.co. You've heard me talk about these guys before. I love these guys. I love their products. I love what they do, what they stand for. And in one of my live streams not too long ago, I talked about really wanting to get myself a TPS Miner logo t-shirt. And they saw that in the live stream. They reached out to me. I sent them over my logo and they printed me my own t-shirt. And I could not be happier with, one, how this thing came out, and two, how kind and generous these guys have been. To do this for me was just completely unexpected, and I can't thank you guys enough. This is so cool. I love this thing. So thank you guys so much. Again, Crypty.co, go check these guys out. You can pick up all sorts of different crypto clothing, crypto apparel. You can get mining office apparel, Caveman Mining. DJ Mines has his own collection now. They've got the crypto mystery box for sale. I don't know what's in it. It's a mystery box, but pick one up. I'm sure it's going to be a good box. While you're over there, this video, we're going to be talking about Ethereum Classic. Go pick up something from Crypty.co, an Ethereum Classic apparel, a t-shirt, a hoodie, you know, scroll on through. They have so much to choose from. The beanie, the flag. I've got my Ravencoin flag from these guys. I love it. So again, please go check out Crypty.co. While you're over there, also join the crypto mining Discord. It's Crypto Kingdom. I'm over there all the time in this Discord. So if you want to chat in Discord, reach out to me there. I'll also drop a link in the description below. All right, let's hop over to HiveOS and let's take a look at this RX470 4GB mining graphics card. So if I'm going to look first at the temperatures. So when we first got this card from NerdGears, we put it into the system. We were getting about 65 or 66 degrees C temperature when we weren't really even pushing the card that hard. We opened it up. We took a look. The thermal paste was dried out. The thermal pads were pretty worn and oily. So we cleaned it up, and at the end of the video, if you recall, if you saw, the temperature only came down to 61 degrees C, and I was a little disappointed that I didn't get better performance after I had repadded and repasted it. So I came back the next day, and the temperature had dropped down to about 55 degrees C, and if you look at the temperatures of my other cards, they're actually warmer than what they were at the time of the recording of that previous video. So I'm seeing higher temperatures on my other cards, and this 470 has dropped down. We're at 57 degrees C, and you can see we have overclocked it. We are pushing it a little harder. So we're getting 31.41 mega hash at 69 watts in the software. And let me pop open the overclock so you can take a look. So we were able to get the core clock up to 1150. We were able to pull the core voltage down to 870. We were able to push the memory clock up to 2050. And we are running 100% fan just to kind of keep the temperatures stable while we've been testing. And we are running the AMD memory tweak of 20. So let's take a look again. 31.4 mega hash at 69 watts in software. So we know that this number is not realistic. Again, I have not measured this at the wall, but from my estimations, I'm thinking it's probably about 85 watts. I did misspeak in my previous video when we were looking at what to mine. We'll do that again. But again, I'm going with about 85 watts at the wall. So let's take a look real quickly at Ethereum Classic. So today is February 26th, 2022. It is 9:09 p.m. Eastern Time. And Ethereum Classic is sitting at $27.96. So let's go to what to mine. And I want to point out real quickly, if you just select the RX470, it gives you the Radeon RX470 4GB graphics card. But for Ethereum Classic, it's showing only 26 megahash at 120 watts. With this mining graphics card, we're able to get to 31.4 megahash at our estimation of 85 watts. So let's calculate and take a look at our revenue and our profits. So as of right now, we are getting 77 cents per day revenue and 55 cents per day profit after electricity. If you look, I have been running now, my uptime is about 3.5 days, and I can tell you these numbers are fairly accurate as to what I'm seeing at the pool. So again, we're talking a 55 cents per day profit on this graphics card. The other thing I did notice, when we look at Ethereum Classic, the stock numbers that we see in What to Mine for Ethereum Classic, we're seeing about a 20% boost in performance at a much lower power consumption. And I look over here and I look at Ergo and I look at Ravencoin, and I'm thinking to myself, man, if we can get a 20% boost on Ravencoin at a lower power consumption, 20% boost on Ergo at a lower power consumption, this card could be pretty good at those two as well. So I do want to go ahead and do some tests. I'll put out some videos and show you what we're seeing on those two guys, on those two algorithms. But again, this is looking very, very encouraging. So again, head on over to Nerd Gears. These are still in stock if you're interested. The Sapphire RX470 4GB mining graphics card. I am going to be picking up another one of these. And please go ahead over to Crypty.co. Take a look at their collections. Again, if you're into Ethereum Classic, they've got a really nice Ethereum Classic collection. Join the Discord. Again, I'll drop a link to the Discord in the description below. And yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button. Please consider subscribing to the channel for future content. Hit the notification bell. You will be notified when new content is available. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you guys again real soon.